Churritos are a leaf-enriched fried snack that's very well liked by children. I'll show you a basic recipe that you can easily modify by using different flours and different flavorings. This basic recipe only uses 5 ingredients. First, take 3 cups of corn masa flour, usually called masa harina in the Latin food sections of grocery stores, and put it in a bowl. Add 1 cup of plain flour. If it's available, bread flour works really well. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 1 cup of dried leaf powder. This is one of the best recipes for using stronger flavored leaf powders, such as moringa. Stir these dry ingredients together and then add 1½ to 2 cups of water. Mix it first with a spoon and then knead it with clean hands until it forms into one solid ball with no crumbs in the bowl. Next, put about 4 inches of vegetable oil into a fryer. This is going to vary somewhat with the size of your fryer, but the idea is to make sure that the churrito dough is completely covered with oil when it's dropped into the fryer. Heat the oil to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 204 degrees Celsius. This is easiest to do with an electric fryer. When the oil is hot, put a portion of the dough into a potato ricer using the biggest holes of the ricer. Use a ricer that only has holes in the bottom. Some of them have holes in the sides as well. You can buy them from cooking supply stores or online for less than $20. Squeeze the dough through the holes until you have long green worms directly over the fryer. Cut the dough off and let them drop into the hot oil. Be really careful working with the hot oil. Cook for about 3 minutes with a gentle stir to make sure they aren't sticking together. Then remove the churritos from the oil and let them drain a few seconds, and then gently dump them onto a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Sprinkle right away with salt or chili powder or other seasonings of your choice. It usually takes a couple practice runs before you can consistently make good green churritos. Keep at it. Churritos can sometimes be packaged and sold as a street snack by a small business or used in school programs as a midday snack. Kids love them, and with a little practice and experimentation, I think you will too. Thanks for watching.